Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this beautiful Caesium Blue metallic Jaguar XF R-Sport. Now this is a wonderful colour, got to be one of the nicest colours to get an XF in. This particular car rides on the 5-spoke 19-inch factory optional extra upgrade alloys and has the rear privacy glass. Now these cars have got to be one of the best value luxury cars on the market. Fully loaded and look absolutely wonderful. Now the R-Sport gets the external, more sculpted body kit. So we've got side skirts, we've got the integral air dam in the front bumper, headlamp wash, and then riding on these 5-spoke 19-inch wheels. 19-inch wheels give you a really nice fill the arch look, but don't spoil the ride, and the tyres are not expensive. Now this has recently had 4 tyres as well, so you'll be pleased to hear that you're going to get at least 15 to 20,000 miles out of the set of tyres if you drive it nicely. Privacy glass in the rear just makes the car, darkens it down and gives it that wonderful look. Now as we run round to the rear of the car, you can see twin tailpipes on this one. That's because this is a 240 brake horsepower 25D, so it's a 2-litre engine. On a Jaguar XF they do 2 engines. They do in a 4-cylinder diesel. We've got the 180, which is the standard, and then we've got the upgrade 240 brake horsepower engine, which the easiest way to tell is they've got the 25D rather than 2-litre D, and we get twin tailpipes out the rear rather than to one side, so it looks very, very sporty. But just look at it, every angle you look at it, you can see that it is an absolute super car. The documentation for the servicing's all online there. I've took pictures of it. The alloys are all in wonderful order. I've got 2 keys in my pocket. Last owner purchased it from the Jaguar main dealership, and it comes then obviously with the approved pack as well as. So very, very nicely kitted out. Now this one inside has the full black leather seats, so they've got the contrast silver stitch and are all in fantastic order. When you look around this car, you can see that it is in absolutely tip-top order. A couple of nice features again. So we've got electric memory driver's seat. We've got the power folding door mirrors as well on this one, and an electric steering column. So just have a check on when you're looking at comparing cars. Compare specification on these, because they can be quite different and you can get a lot more extras for your money when you look at our cars. Now this has done 47,814 miles as a starter up now. So you just fire her up there, nice stereo. Looking around an XF, obviously we have the same dash that's in the F-Pace XC XF. Very, very nice internal wraparound dashboard. Looking at the aluminium detail, and then we have the centre screen coming down to the gloss black detail and gearbox all the way down the centre. Now these have heated seats as well, so you can keep your bum warm all the time. Standard features, obviously we've got the media player, so we've got DAB, Bluetooth, auxiliary and USB, depending what source you press, as you can see all there. Press the home button, it goes back to the memory, and then we've got the sat nav, which everything's a touch screen. Buttons are all down here for it, so we can adjust it. When we select reverse, it gives you the audible and a visual screen on the vehicle. But I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker, and the car's not been smoked in ever in its life. As I say, we've got book pack and the approved pack that was supplied by Jaguar to the last keeper. That's nice that all are in there. But a super car. Now this will go through our own workshop before it leaves Wigan as well, and it's just had a fresh MOT before it's gone on sale, so you can be assured that the car is going to be presented to the highest standard that we can. Now when we look in the rear of this vehicle, you see that we've got loads and loads of leg room and space, and then just look at that internally there. A wonderful car, nice all round. So 2 keys, service documentation, 4 new tyres, fully serviced, 12 months MOT. What more could you want from a prestigious yet super fuel efficient 240 brake horsepower Jaguar XF? I don't think there's anything more I can say. Now I've drove the car and it drives as good as it did probably when it was new. so you can buy in total confidence. So if that's for you, give us a call. We've got Graham, Alex, Lee and Dominic on the sales department. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, let us know. I can give you a price over the phone. If you need finance, give us a call, I'll give you a quote. Check out our reviews, check out our Facebook, check out our Instagram. You see customers from all over the UK coming once, collecting the car and driving away on the same day. So if you'd like to know how that works, give us a call and we'll explain it to you. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.